Hi, it's Max Chaudhary from Chaudhary Law Office. I want to go over a question that comes up in our frequently asked questions component of our website. That question is something along the lines, and I'm paraphrasing, of I've heard from a friend or my travel agent or my barber that there's a special program that can get me a visa to Canada. I don't know exactly where to start in terms of answering this question. I think it's good to preface it by saying there's a lack of specificity in the programs alleged by a person who's making this kind of query to our website. So one source of information that we often refer people to, generally speaking, is the official Government of Canada website, cic.gc.ca. And that's a valuable resource because although it's not laid out in a logical format necessarily, it is a credible source of the programs available to a potential candidate seeking a work visa, study permit, visitor visa, or permanent residence, aka PR, to Canada. A lot of the confusion comes when there is a mixture of sources that people are often referring to. Sometimes these may be online forums which maybe take a link from Canada's immigration website out of context, which leads to further misunderstanding once people discuss a specific link on CIC's website within an online forum. It's hard to say. However, the best remedy for this kind of query is specificity about you, the individual, because obviously with Canada's visa and immigration programs, there's a certain criteria that you, the candidate, have to possess or present in the form of things like work experience or credentials or funds in the case of, for example, studying in Canada. These things are all relevant, and so we would need a précis from you, the potential candidate. In certain countries, this might be called a biodata. In other countries, it might be called a curriculum vitae or a resume. That's one component. And the other one is our job, which is to look at your credentials and then compare them to what we deem to be potential relevant programs that you're interested in, be it for temporary purposes like working, studying, or visiting, or permanent residency. Permanent residency either in the economic classes such as provincial or federal or business, or in the family class, or in the more sort of catch-all classes like the humanitarian compassionate types of candidates that may qualify. So, in other words, if you have a query, you think there's a program you might qualify for, you may wish to reach out to us here at Chaudhary Law Office. Thank you.